Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you that in MI phone, if the phone is locked, then from lock screen anybody can operate your Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile data. How I can show you? Just lock it, and then from lock screen it can turn off Wi-Fi, turn off mobile data, or then hotspot can be turned off on. So this if you do not want that this should happen, then what you need to do I'm going to cover in this video. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to this setting, and then going to the notification and control center, and here you will see that control center style is newer version is selected. Okay, and in this newer version, item showing on the lock sun, we can here work with the new version, we can off. Okay, if newer version is selected, we can switch off from here. Now see what will happen when it is going into the lock screen, and if we are swiping it down, nothing will come. So for turning off and on, why anybody need to reach at the notification panel. Notification panel cannot be reached now after turning it on. So just go there, go to the notification panel, and then items on now. If we turn it on, we can now access. So here it is accessible, and anybody can turn off on Wi-Fi or anything. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So that's all. Thank you very much.